Hi there. Did you know the United States is a nation that has historically committed to providing asylum for many endangered individuals? Understanding the distinction between any asylum seeker and a refugee is an excellent place to begin the examination of how individuals may be admitted to the United States to secure their safety. Let's begin by defining what a refugee is. A refugee is a person who is deemed unable to return to their country of residence for fear of persecution for religious, racial, social, or political associations. According to Envoy Global, a prospective refugee must meet the following 4 criteria. Indication that the applicant is in danger of persecution in their home country. Individuals must be outside the United States when applying for refugee status. The United States must recognize the humanitarian crisis in the country of concern. The candidate must be determined to be admissible by the United States Customs and Immigration Service and must pass a range of Homeland Security checks. Individuals should begin the process by applying to the United States Customs and Immigration Service at a U.S. embassy or consulate. Once granted refugee status, individuals may remain in the United States indefinitely or until conditions in their home country change to allow for a safe return. At the time of arrival in the United States, the refugee can apply for a work permit. After a full year, the person may qualify for a green card or the right to permanent residency. After 4 more years, the individual can apply for U.S. citizenship. How are refugees different from asylum seekers? Asylum seekers must prove that they face a severe threat of persecution if they are to return to their native country or country of residence. The individual must already be present in the United States or at a port of entry requesting the right to enter. The individual or individuals must otherwise fit the same 4 requirements as the refugee. Whether applying for asylum or faced with legal detention, political asylum lawyers are essential. The issues are complex and the individual must know their rights and opportunities. For a free consultation today, call Davis & Associates at 214-628-9888 or visit DallasImmigrationAttorney.com.